Munich has a very rich scientific community. Within this environment, life science programs from different fields cooperate together within a network. These program members have now teamed up to host a key-level event, Responsible Research, where we invite experts in the field to give their viewpoints about good scientific practice and data reproducibility, tackling questions such as what would you do when you are facing a conflict of interest or suspecting scientific misconduct? What are the steps you need to really take care of when you want to publish and report your data? Good scientific practice and good scientific conduct to us is very important and should be everyone's responsibility.
This event is really a great success and we are proud to be part of the team. It fosters collaboration and synergies between the people from the life sciences. It attracts really excellent speakers. It triggers discussion and critical thinking, and by this it creates visibility for a high-profile topic, responsible research.
There is concern about the rate at which basic life science research can be reproduced. It's important for the advancement of science, for the fair distribution of funding resources, as well as the efficient translation into applications such as medical treatments, that the phenomena we observe in the lab and we describe in our papers are observed by others as well. I think we have to conceptually change the way we do experiments, the way we interpret the results of our experiments. And to phrase it in one short sentence, I think we have to stop worshipping the anecdote.
I think it's very important to talk about principles of good academic practice and to do an event like the event today. Take the case of plagiarism, about which I just gave a session. Researchers should acknowledge and cite their sources. And if that is taught here at this event, I think it's a very important thing because we need to raise awareness of good academic practices.
I attended because I really do believe in the scientific process. I believe that it has incredible power, both as far as helping the scientific community and then for the scientific community to help the world. But it does need some self-regulation and some external oversight in order for it to function properly.
I think it's an important topic that affects anyone who does a PhD.
I think responsible research is a really hot and important topic right now. So I think we need to educate ourselves and really talk about it openly.
As far as experiments go, I learned that it's very important to blind your data. I learned that we as humans are very good pattern detectors, and once we know what we're looking for, we can actually see them in whichever experiments we do. So I will remember to blind my data before starting to analyze them.
I learned a lot more on the ombudsman system.
I learned not to trust the p-value too much.
As a community is willing to control itself, but the controls should start in my own hands, in my lab.
My take-home message is that Google is a very nice tool to analyze and identify plagiarism.
My take-home message is only if science is critical, you can make good science.
Take-home message is just educate yourself, keep the conversation open, and encourage criticism and questions.